Alright guys, this is a cool thing. It says Nintendo right here. And this and it says, you know, this is what I'm playing. Look, I can't really know what I'm doing right now, so I'm just gonna
Damien,
what?
you have to put on your pajamas so you can play. Hey, okay, guys. So,
Yeah.
Damien, is it my turn?
But I'm making a video, so jump.
Damien, you can't even see what you're doing.
Okay. I can't.
Like, you have to play while they're singing it.
No, look.
I can't move.
Well, you can't.
I can't.
You won't be able to.
Cut this.
You won't be able to, Damien.
Oh. I don't. Where should I think. I'm not supposed to go this way. I'm not. Oh geez. Oh geez. Oh geez. Go. Let's go. That's what I'm doing. This is so cool. Okay.
I'll put the wreath up tomorrow
Sure.
and the tree and everything. It's already late.
Oh, God.
But the more Red Bull. There it is right there if you want
This
some.
is so cool. Yeah. My
So
dad
you do legs
my
like
dad
you said last Friday.
got this. My dad got this. See what it looks like. Boom. That's what it looks like. The screen. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see what right here it looks like. Maybe if I flip that upside down. No, I don't think you can read that. Yeah, so cool. And games. Here's what you can see.
Mommy.
There you can see this game called Game and Watch. This called Super Mario 2 and this Super Mario. That's the 3 games we can play. Yep, that's the 3 games we can play. And next I'm gonna play Super Mario Maker 2. I was just playing. I mean, not Super Mario Maker 2. Super Mario Maker. I mean.
With you?
What am I doing? Super Mario 2. Super Mario 2.
Brothers.
Super Mario Brothers. Bye, have a great time! Just kidding. Wait, stop. I can't. Okay. Not touchscreen. I'm just touching it. Yeah. These are the games you can play. And the controls, I don't know if you know the controls. This is games. This is, I don't know what these 2 buttons are. I should not touch that. Yeah. So, wait, what's this? It's great. I can't read. Yeah, I can't really read that. I don't know how to read. So subscribe and like the video and share and bye.